Angela Regine and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of the Easy Flow Air Filtration System. So to the people out there who has difficulty breathing while wearing their face mask for a longer period of time, this one's for you guys.
Okay.
Say no to common indoor and outdoor air pollution. Whether you're sitting in your home, riding in your motorcycle, or riding in a public transportation, or working in an environment where everyday masks are used, Easy Flow can help. So, for health and dental professionals, Easy Flow provides a convenient way to make your surgical mask more effective, drier, and comfortable. Enjoy the latest technology with lightweight and ultra-long standby time. So Easy Flow is the world's first personal air filtration system. This is very convenient to adapt the new normal. So let's get started. So we got the green color for my daddy.
Got it for my daddy. I got it for my daddy.
Actually guys, na-open na to kanina ni ate. Okay, so this is the device, the air filtration device. Oops, nahatak. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna show you each one of them. So this is the manual. Let's read the manual first. So each kit has a one neck strap, then one USB cable, one 400 meters air ducts, and one 300 meters air duct. So here, I'm just gonna open this later. And then one nozzle. Here's a nozzle. And then one air portal. And one Easy Flow magnet. Go there. The N95. So first, connect the air hose to the outlet on unit. So let's get the device and then the main hose. I think the main hose here is the 400 meters. So this is the main hose. So we're going to attach this one. Okay, so you have to twist it to lock the nozzle and the outlet, and then wear and connect to the mask. So put on the mask, connect the hose. Where's my mask? So this is the mask that we already made a hole kanina. So maliit lang na hole yung i-cut nyo para hindi ma-fall hindi ma-fall yung hose. Okay, so there, na-attach na siya. So this is it. And then we're going to use the air portal to secure the hose inside this one, air portal. And then wait, oh my god, parang hindi ko alam ay. Oh, there you go. Wait. So how to twist? Ah, there. Ayan, nalock na. You have to twist it again. So it's already locked. There. It's already attached in the hose. So let me show you the device and how to turn it on. So this is the power bar. It will help you determine if it's low battery or fully charged. And then before you're going to use this, you have to charge it for 10 hours. And then this is the where you insert your cable to charge, and then this is the power button. So if you press this for 1 to 2 seconds, it will turn on. Let me demonstrate it for you. Charot! Okay, so let's turn it on. There. So this is the lowest speed. So if you press this again, the medium speed, and then this is the fastest speed. And then if you press it for 1 to 2 seconds again, it will turn off. 1, 2. Wow. Voila! And then this is where you insert the strap para ma-secure.
A few moments later.
Strap is already inserted, and then I'm gonna show you right now how I unlock this. Charot! Unlock. Ano na ito mag-unlock? Luoy? Ano? Baluoy? Buta ka di mag-cricket. Baby? Iduot. 1, 2. Because of the zero and to push and then slide and then push. I'm going to disinfect this later because my dad is going to use this one since he's the owner of this device. So I'm gonna show you the other way on how to use this device. You can see there is a sponge inside. So this is where you'll drop the essential oil like the tea tree oil, the lavender oil, chamomile, the effervescent oil.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Okay, so there. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get another mask since there is a hole in here, and we shouldn't use that because we need a new mask. So first you have to wear your mask. And then you're gonna insert, you have to wear this one first. And then insert the nozzle in here. Make sure the magnet is facing on the mask. Place the magnet. And you can also attach this one in here. Something like this. Wait, I'm gonna show you para hindi siya ma-fall sa iba, guys. Wait, okay, there you go. Then hindi talaga siya ma-fall kasi
mahugay hapon siya.
bakit?
Ang pagkataot.
Hindi mo siya mahatak, oh. Okay, So there. Hindi siya mapa... Hey, gano'n na! Yeah! Kasi heavy metal siya! Yay! Okay, now you have to turn on. Wait, press 1 to 2 seconds. Okay. It's so refreshing. I feel like I'm in a mountains, on the top of the mountains with a fresh air. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you're going to use your air filtration device.
Okay.
For the extra hose, the 300-meter hose,
Attach.
you can attach this one in here if you need it to be longer. So, like if you want to put it in your bag or your pocket, because you don't want it to ay balide eh. Boo-boo. Huh? Ano siya? Sakto. Okay, so there it is. It's already inserted. So if you don't want to use this strap, you can place it in your bag or your pocket.
Siya ko ano. Hook. Mami, hook ang luyo.
Yeah. Ah, okay. What did you say purpose? So this is the purpose of the hook. So you're gonna place it. Oh, hindi. Wala pala akong pocket, guys. Failure.
Ano ba?
Wag na lang. So dito, pwede rin dito daw sa bell. Okay. Let me try. Basta, ganun na siya, guys. You'll insert. You can hook your device on your back pocket or your belt or your side pocket or anywhere you like. Okay, so this device also has a free HEPA filter inside. So when you open this one, you can see that there's a HEPA filter. So you can change this every 30 days or when it gets dirty. There's also other colors that you can find on their website. There is a pink, red, and black, and white. You can check it out on their website in www.easyflowusa.com. So I'm gonna link it down below in the description box so you can check it out there. It's $99.99. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you like my video, you share and you comment, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Bye.